Hi, I'm Israel Greene, certified teacher, speaker, and coach with the John Maxwell team. I want to thank you for taking the time to visit our site and for considering one of our premier leadership workshops. Only one thing stands between you and success. It isn't experience, and it isn't talent. World-renowned leadership expert John C. Maxwell says, if you want to succeed, you must learn how to connect with people. And while it may seem like some folks are just born with it, the fact is anyone can learn how to make every communication an opportunity for a powerful connection. In our leadership workshop, Everyone Communicates If You Connect, we share content directly from John Maxwell on the 5 principles and the 5 practices that are crucial to building lasting relationships. Here we'll teach you techniques on things and topics like the principle of finding common ground. We'll show you how to break resistance and build rapport that will put you directly on the path to success. These principles are designed to help you drive sales, strengthen and grow existing relationships, and make you successful in everything you do. So if your sales team struggles with breaking through to that decision maker, or turning prospects into clients, or perhaps your account management team is trying to figure out how to grow that existing book of business, or maybe you're a manager trying to effectively engage and motivate your employees and you're feeling frustrated, then this workshop is designed for you. We've helped organizations just like yours recognize unprecedented growth, and we would love to do the same for you. So to inquire about this workshop or any of our others, please contact us directly at www.israelgreene.com.